Okay, so let's say you have a video up on Adilo and you want to schedule that. You want to say, hey, this video is only available from a certain date going forward. And you may also want to say this video will no longer be available after a certain date. So we can do that in Adilo. Go into your video and just go into your editing screen on the video. And then come down here on the left-hand side and go to Scheduled Publishing. Click on that, and you have to enable it. Just throw the switch right here, and then it gives you the option to set in a date. So, for instance, I could put a date out here. I'll put the date on the 22nd of April, and you can also have a text overlay. So, what that means is I'm just going to put this text in here, just wait for it. And then what will happen is this video will not show up until this date. And what will happen is before that date, there'll be a timer that shows up over the top of the video. And your message here, which I have is just wait for it, is going to show below. I'll see if that shows up here somewhere. You can also set this video to end after a certain date by just enabling end stream here. So if I enable this, and I don't know if you saw that little flash there, I wish that they would actually keep that overlay up there longer. But if you see that little flash, it puts a timer up there with your message on it. Here is enabling the end stream. So similar type of thing. You put a date, and for the purposes of this, let me do this. Let me go back and then say my starting date. I'm going to turn, well, I can't turn that starting date off. I'm just going to leave it blank so it should be available right away. I'm going to get rid of this ending text or the enable text overlay on it, and I'm just going to come down here to say enable the end stream, and to show you what that looks like, I'm going to set the date to a date in the past. So there's a date in the past, and then if we put some text overlay on it, this video is no longer available. All right, so you get the gist of it here. If you have this date, once this timer's hit for the enable end stream, it's going to come up with an overlay over the top of the video, which they put the default text here of sorry, this video stream has ended. And then you can also put a little bit of text in addition to that, and it shows down below here. The other thing you can do is you can also add a button here. If I'm going to get rid of this text overlay here, let me get rid of that. You see this button right here, called testing. That's done by turning on call to action. You can put anything you want in here for the text, view website. And then you can simply come down here for the button link and put a link in here to where to take them to when they click this link. So that's how you can schedule it, and then also throw a little bit of a call to action button on it.